Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to see about the 5th standard maths about the patterns. Patterns in geometry. So, patterns in geometry is, in this we are going to see about the borders and the stripes of the tiling. You might have seen the tilings in the houses, floors and walls everywhere. So, what do you mean by the tiles? A tiling of a place is a collection of subsets, plane, which cover the plane without gaps or overlaps. So tiling is a design which doesn't give any gaps or overlaps. In between the gaps, even in schools also you might have seen in the walls, the tiles have been placed in bathroom. Everywhere we have been seeing all these tiles and everything. So it's a collection of subsets of a plane or a plane figure, different sides of the designs which cover the gaps without gaps or any overlaps. These are some of the designs you can see. So a design can be made more than a kind of a shapes. Any shapes they can make, the design also can make. Here they are given the some of the patterns here. So take your page number 16, book page number 16. In this you are seeing the tiles here. Pink and violet they are given and the square also given. So you have to color it like this. Like this should be done. This and this in the book itself you can done by yourself. Those are having in the book. So page number 16. Homework is page number 16. Do it in the book. Okay, so this you can do it in the book by yourself. You know how to do this one. And now we are going to see the patterns in different number of angles and types of angles. What are the types of angles here we are going to say? That is types of angles in patterns. So types of angles are zero angle. What is this? This is the zero angle, that is equal to 0 degree. Then this is the acute angle less than 90 degree, then right angle. So right angle is equal to 90 degree. Right angle equal to 90 degree. Then obtuse angle. What is this? Obtuse. Obtuse angle is between 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, 90 and 180 degree. Then straight angle. So this will be the straight angle is 180 degree. So these are the different types of angles. Okay, straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Can you understand? Zero angle is equal to 0. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. That 90 degree ke mele obtuse angle, 90 degree ke keela acute angle. Straight angle, right angle equal to 90 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. So this is the type of angles. So in the types of angles, we are going to see the patterns. We are going to see now. Now, here, in this they are given the triangle. So, this is the triangle, equilateral triangle. So, equilateral triangle means all the three corners in the angle, this one angle and this is one angle. And this is one angle. So, this is the equilateral angle and this is they are equal to the 60 degree. So, each one is 60 degree. This is called the equilateral triangle, 60 degree angle. Suppose if there is a straight line, this is the straight angle, this is 180 degree. So, இது 180 degree divided by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. So all the three sides are equal. This is the equal to 60 degree equilateral triangle. This will be, this one is the equilateral triangle. This is the straight angle. So straight angle divided by 3. Over 3 vechaka, that each will be the 60. So it will come like this. Okay, 60 degree. So எப்படி 60 degree இந்த இது இருக்கு இல்லையா ஆர்ச், இது ஒன் பீஸ், இது ஒரு 60 degree, இது ஒரு 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is equal to 180 degree. Can you understand? So ஒரு 60, ரெண்டு 60, மூணு 60, that is the equilateral triangle. This is equal. So one equilateral triangle is equal to the 60 degree. So here they are given the hexagon. In the hexagon here, find the angle. Here they are given. See, so they draw பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Just we will draw this. So hexagon they are given. So each இது ஒரு angle இல்லையா, this இப்படி இந்த 6 angles are here, and in center 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So how many pieces are the angles? 6 angles are there, 6 equilateral angles. This one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the, how many equilateral triangles are here? 6 equilateral triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will be equal to the 60 plus 60 degree plus 60 degree 60 degree 60 plus 60, that is equal to 6 6 are 36, 360 degree. Now they are given here on hexagon here. Okay, so like this they are given. So here also see here 60 degree, and yes, how many equilateral triangles are 1 and 2. So this one is equilateral triangle, and here one equilateral triangle. So 60 plus 60 degrees, that is equal to 120 degree. Okay, like that. In square also, angle of a circle also they are given. Angle of a circle is what? See here. Angle of a circle is 360 degree. Angle of circle equal to 360 degrees. So how can you find out this? Just a square. See. Okay, so here one angle, so it will become like this. Okay, yeah. So that is equal to 360 degree divided by 4, that is equal to 90 degree. Can you understand here? This is the 4 squares are here. The shape formed is a circle. So angle of the circle is 360 degree. That's why I given angle of circle is 360 degree. So 360 divided by 4 sides, that is equal to each side as a 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 and 90. Okay. So here one exercise they are given. So we have to find out the how many angles are there. Here in this, find the angle of the given shape. Exercise 3.1. Find the angle. Find the angle of given shape. Using equilateral triangle. Using the equilateral triangle. So here they are given the picture. So this equilateral triangle which we have to find the angle. Okay, so here the dotted lines they are given. First sum this is. So one triangle is equal to 60 degree I said. Okay now. So one triangle, equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. Here two triangles are there. So we can put two triangles, two equilateral triangles, that is equal to 60 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree, these two triangles, and another one is the separate one here, that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so totally how much is there? 60, one triangle is equal to 60, two triangles is equal to 120. And the second sum, they are given the shape like this. Diamond shape they are given, and here one line they are given. So for this also here, this one triangle and this one, and this is 2. So same thing, one triangle that is equal to 60 degree. So two triangles plus you put and write like this, that is equal to 120 degree. 60 degree plus 60 degree, 120 degrees. Okay, for this sum I am telling. And one triangle, remaining another is 60 degree. That's all. So two triangles are there. One triangle, equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree and 2 is equal to the 120 degree. Okay children. Then find the angle of rectangle. Sum number 2. Find the angle of rectangle using a circle. So you can put it like this. It's a rectangle and the box like this and circle. So I said what is this? Angle of circle is 360 degree. Angle of circle is equal to 360 degree. That is 360 degree. Now how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 360 divided by 4, that is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree is the each angle. Okay, can you understand children? So this is the one simple exercise in your book. And now we will move on to the next one. This is all in the page number 19. And now they are given the clock. In exercise 3.2, they are given the clock. So in that clock, we have to find out the angles and the time. So we will see that one. Easy only, this is exercise, same measurements only. So same, the 3.2 exercise is there. Exercise 3.2. So in this, mention the time in the clock when the angle is 180 degree. Mention the time. You have to mention the time in the clock. What will be the time when the angle வந்து 180 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. That is, this is the first sum, second one and third one. Okay. So you have to draw the clock. What's the problem here? So 3 sums ku 3 clocks draw பண்ணுங்க. 12. So you know how to put the clock. So in the book itself a clock you are having. So just I want to show it to you. So I'll draw the clock. then here also. Okay, now 180 degree. So இது வந்து 180 degreeல நம்ம draw பண்ணணும்னா first sum is 180 degreeக்கு draw பண்ணணும்னா we can draw the clock by 6 o'clock. So this is 180 degree. So 180 degree, this is the first sum. The time is 6. The time is 6 o'clock. Next one is 90 degree. Second sum is 90 degree. 90 degree வரும்போது what you have to do, will put the 3 o'clock. So நீங்கள் டேஷில் 3 o'clock drop, 90 degree 3 o'clock drop பண்ணி பண்ணுங்க. And then 60 degree is 2 o'clock. Yeah, 60 degree. So this will be the 2 o'clock. Okay, like that, find the angle made by the hands of the clock at the given time. So you have to draw the angle. So 11 o'clock, we have to write the angle. So இதை மட்டும் நான் அழைக்கிறேன். Second sum. So second sum is find the angle. Find the angle made by the hands of the clock. Made by the hands of the clock at the given time. So அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்க given time la what will be the angle is that we have to find out. Okay. So first one they are given as 11 o'clock கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So we have to draw 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock draw பண்ணும்போது இப்படி வரும். So what angle is it? So this will be the acute angle மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா? So you can write 30 degree. Then the next one is 9 o'clock கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So you have to draw the 9 o'clock. So what is the shape of the angle is 9 o'clock? 90 degree. 9 o'clock is 90 degree. Straight இருக்கு இல்லையா? So இது short acute இருக்கிறதால this is the acute angle 30 degree less than 40 degree. Then the next one is 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock draw பண்ணுங்க. So 6 o'clock இப்போ தான் ஒன்று பார்த்தோம். So what will be that? Straight angle இல்லையா? That is equal to 180 degree. Like that, fourth sum. Four, 5, 3, 9. So 3 more sums are there. So I'll draw the clock. 9, 1, 2, 12, 6, 3, 9. So fourth sum, 6 step. First one, 4, 5, and 6 sums they are given. So this one is 6, 10 you have to draw. In this sum, 6, 10 க்கு draw பண்ணணும். அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? 6 and 10. So 6, 10 க்கு போது what angle? 120 degree. Obtuse angle. Then 645. 645. 645. So 645 is Now the 90 degree. This is the right angle. And the next one is 630. So ரெண்டுமே same placeல தான் வரும். So 630, that is the 0 angle, 0 degree. Okay, so they will give the time. You have to draw the time and write the angles. So all the 6 sums. And then now the next exercise. Next one is exercise 3.3. This is the page number 22. So page number 3.3, that is write down the collection of the words by ending with ENT and IGHT. So we have to write down which are the words are ending with ENT and IGHT. So we have to write down the words collection of words by ending with ENT and IGHT. So you have to use these words. So first words they are given, went. So 2 words they are given and the remaining we have to write sent. And next one is bent. We can write this one in this dash, rent and the tent. Okay, then second one, night, night, light, then right, sight, then mind. That's all. And then the next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks they are given. First one C-AT, B-AT and G-AT. So COAT, BOAT and GOAT. Then the second one R-D, V-D and W-D. R-E-D red, B-E-D red and W-E-D red. So that's all children in these exercises. Only the correction of the word that should end with ENT and IGHT. So they are given the 3 dash. So we can fill it with bent, rent and tent. And for the next one, light and light, right, sight and might. And fill in the blanks, they given the dash for the O only. So coat, boat and goat. And for red, bed and bed. So that's all children. So complete the exercises, what all I given as a homework. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.